to here. Very important to Canada. To mow the lawn in summer and to shovel snow in the winter. Okay, all Canadian men go to heaven because they shovel snow.
Lot of snow.
Shovel. Look,
Shovel.
this is a shovel.
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 Shovel,
Shovel.
snow,
Yes. Yes.
snow,
Shovel.
shovel.
Snow. Shovel.
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 Shovel is the tool and shovel is the action. So to shovel snow,
No,
shovel.
no sweep. Shovel.
Shovel, yeah, with a shovel, not sweep. You sweep, Sally, with a broom. Look, sweep.
Dust. Yes.
You sweep with a broom.
Sweep dust.
Sweep.
Broom. It is different. Here is the broom,
Broom.
okay?
Floor. Sweep.
Sweep.
Yes.
Okay? A broom.
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 Brush.
So you
Yes.
sweep
Yes.
with a broom,
Yes.
but you shovel
Yes.
with a shovel. Shovel.
I shovel snow.
Yes.
Shovel.
I shovel snow.
I shovel snow and I sweep the floor.
shovel.
No, I shovel snow.
I shovel snow.
I shovel snow, I sweep the floor, I mow the lawn.
I wear shovel snow winter.
In winter. So, I shovel snow in the winter. I mow the lawn in summer. I sweep the floor all year. All year, okay? Spring, summer, fall, and winter. I sweep the floor. Summer, I mow the lawn. Winter, I shovel snow. Shovel snow. Okay?
Okay.
So, can you, Takjin, mow the lawn?
Yeah, I can.
Sally, can you mow the lawn?
I'm proud of it.
Mow the lawn? Yes, I.
can.
Natalia, can you shovel snow? Can you shovel snow? Yes, I can. Can you shovel snow?
Yes, I can. And
Oh,
I
come
do
on,
all the
don't
time.
betray the Brazilian girl club. Say, no,
What
I
has been
can't.
doing?
My husband.
Yeah,
I know.
yeah, I can't shovel snow, but my husband can. He's strong, he's handsome, he's powerful, he can shovel snow.
My
Yeah,
husband
please.
retired 15 years ago. I do everything.
Come on, Brazilian woman, you are in
I
Canada.
am top.
Yeah, we are.
Husband is Brazilian too?
Yes.
In Brazil, women do everything.
Oh.
And we work and we feel guilty all the time. Oh, I could have done more. Oh, I could have worked more. I did not do enough. Brazilian women work and feel guilty all the time. What I say is that God knows what He does. He put snow in Canada because if snow was in Brazil, we girls would be shoveling snow all the time. It wouldn't be the men. So all
Not good, not good.
no, not good at all. All Canadian men go to heaven.
No, he worked a lot until 15 years ago. But then now I'm always worried that he's going to have a heart attack. So I do everything for him.
Brazilian woman, I tell you, that's a problem.
You have to
Okay,
No, he didn't. But he has tendencies in his family.
okay. So now I want to know who can shovel snow here. Sun Young, can you shovel snow?
No, I can.
Wayne says that he can shovel snow. Yes, he can. Now you girls ask me if I can shovel snow. Ask me.
Can you shovel snow?
No, I can't. Sorry, I can't.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Husband can.
Yes.
Husband can.
Oh,